What's good, YouTube? We back with another video, y'all. World's fastest man woke up a little late. I'm prepared for anything. Beans by sheep. We really do this, man. I'm really prepared for anything, man. Y'all really ain't ready. You don't know how fast I really am, man. We finna get to this cut. Okay, gotta go. Oh yeah, yo, we doing a high fade in this video. Enjoy. We out. YouTube, we back. Beans by Shim with another Bean by Shim. We finna get straight into this video, y'all. I'm just caping up my man, draping him up. Like I said, y'all, right now, I'm finna get my man a high fade. This cut really came out dope, y'all. I need y'all to just check it out. Stay tuned. Right now, I'm just combing through my man's hair, getting that hair to lift up, be nice and loose, so that clipper just takes the hair off. Y'all, this cut, I'm really in my bag. So you see, I'm just taking that 1 1/2 all the way closed, and I'm just knocking down all that top hair. My man's a real waver. Now I'm playing, but he be waving up, so we just being real gentle, just taking it down with that 1 1/2 all the way closed. We gonna see how this comes out, though, y'all. Still just knocking down that hair, y'all, just knocking it down. Being very gentle around that crown area. I'm protecting that. Here we go, y'all. Haircut officially under the way, man. We getting in our first guideline right now with them wall heroes. We setting it in with that high fade. No curve in that action, you know. Alright, so right now, see, I'm just finessing that line. I'm shaping it to his head, going all the way around. Now here's the other side, taking that line the same way, just straight around, straight to the back, finessing that line. Just keep that clipper going, gently tap on that line. When you're creating that first guideline with the liners, you don't want to tap too hard and create a harsh guideline, otherwise you won't be able to get it out in the end. Right here, I'm just taking off all that bulk under that first guideline, and I'm just removing it all, getting it nice and cleaned up. Alright, y'all, now I'm just balling them out with my liners. I'm not going to take the shavers to this client's head because he does bump up when you get him too bald with the shavers. Alright, y'all, so I'm just taking that one guard, about a little bit more than an inch, just a little bit more than an inch, though. And then under that, I'm going to take my lever open. You're going to see in a little bit. But I'm just flicking out with that one guard. Make sure you get all those hairs. I'm brushing down, then I'm fading up with it, then I'm brushing down. Just making sure I get all those hairs, make sure they're all laid down in place so the cut can come out all right, y'all. Just need to make sure them hairs are laid down. Keep going with your clipper, fading up. But right now, you see me, I'm just going in with that lever open, flicking out, taking it about halfway through that guideline, y'all. Just taking it up, brushing down, you see me. I'm just doing me right now. I'm just fading up, flicking out. This is just how I like to start certain fades. You know, as you cut, you just develop different type of techniques throughout your haircuts. You might cut like the same way as one other person for 2 months. Then you switch up your haircut style and you start cutting with the one guard more, or going up higher with the one guard. And you just find the system that works for you and you just keep working with it. But you see me right now, I'm going up that 1/16. I'm just flicking out that line between that one guard and that lever all the way open. I'm just flicking out. I just started with it halfway, and then I'm about to go close it all the way and flick out right under that. I'm going straight into that bulk, just working with that bulk on the top. I'm taking that 1 1/2 guard, flicking out at the top, going into that bulk though. I'm being a little bit grimy. with this. I'm going a little bit with a little bit of strength, y'all. I'm going in, but I'm flicking out at the same time. And then I'm gonna go up a little bit with it all the way open, with the lever open, with this 1 1/2 guard. And then it's gonna get this cut going, popping just a little bit more. I'm gonna come back down with my 1 guard all the way closed, and see how I'm just knocking down those side hairs. I'm knocking down those side hairs just a little bit with my 1 guard all the way closed, just to get that hair just a little bit shorter than the rest. It's not gonna make a guideline throughout the hair or anything. You see me here, y'all, I'm really doing this, man. I got that 1 guard all the way open. I just took down the hair because I decided that this hair would go crazy with that 1 guard all the way open. But it's all about detail, y'all. It's all about detail. I'm just going in with that 1 1/2 guard again, taking out a little bit more bulk because I see a little bit more bulk that I need to clear up. But yeah, I'm just looking at through the details. I'm just going back, waiting to get to that last part, y'all. If you watching my videos, man, you know I love that last part of that haircut. Hey, y'all, look, so we at that last part, you know. So look, I'm just fading that in. I'm just getting that feeling when I'm cutting that last part. I'm just cutting through. I'm like, this blend is coming through, y'all. You need to just peep this blend. This blend really goes crazy, y'all. Hey, y'all, hope y'all enjoying this video, for real. But you see Beans by Shim, you see me just in full effect, man. Hopping behind that chair, turning to a new man. Just like playing a sport, man. You hop on the field, you hop on the court, you turn into a different person. You might be silent, you might get all wild on the court, you know, or on the field. It's the same thing. I'm getting behind the chair, I'm getting crazy. I'm getting in tune with my clippers. I'm looking at the head, the hair, all that. It's just different. Back to details, y'all. See, I'm just flicking out. I'm playing with that lever with no guard. I'm just playing with that lever. Going close, flicking out, going up. Just making sure I'm not going too high with that lever all the way closed, or even with that lever all the way open. Once I get to going a little bit high, then that's when I'm flicking out with my corners. Very with my corners, y'all. Only with them corners. But you see, I'm just taking it up halfway, like I say. You know, I take it up halfway, then I go right under that with that lever all the way closed, and I flick out that guideline. You see, I just switch that notch. Now I'm going up. Look, switch it again. Bow. I'm just doing my thing, y'all. I'm speeding through this haircut. No, I'm not speeding through it. But I'm just doing my thing, fixing that blend up, doing everything I could, get this haircut right. You know, this is a high fade, y'all. I love doing high fades. They come out clean every time, y'all. I don't know what it is, man, but them Oster fast feeds, they do magic when you take out that bottom line, man. I don't know what it is about that blade. You just flick out. Everything just comes off so smooth. Everything is so, I don't know, it's just layered so perfectly when you're taking out that bottom line. But you see me right here. I'm just taking down that front lining with that 1 guard close. I'm prepping that hairline. Look, I'm spritzing it up, drying the hairline. And I'm going straight in with them Walt Heroes, y'all. I'm lining them up. I'm getting my man crispy, man. Hey, I know y'all saw the string, man, on my back, though. But it's alright. I had to drop this video. This video goes too crazy. Couldn't do without it. But anyways, yeah, see, so I'm just lining them up. I'm going left and right, starting in the middle. Doing my thing, lining them up, keeping this lining straight and natural. I'm not going back. I'm not taking it back at an angle. I'm just keeping this lining natural. You see right here? Taking them clippers, I just turn them sideways. Not pushing that side back at all. I'm just barely touching it. Because I'm going to come back with my blade, y'all. On that blade, when you just push those sides, you don't even have to push them back. You just come straight to them lines. It's natural lining on the sides. And that line will pop. Look, see right here? Look, I'm taking my razor, barely going straight to the line. And that line, you can just see it's just popping. It's starting to pop right now, y'all. You're going to see in a little bit. When I back up, this line, look. Whoo! Man, y'all, that high fade. Ain't no switch up over here, y'all. We doing the same thing on the other side. We're pulling back the skin, going straight to its natural lining, y'all. I'm getting that lining nice and sharp, though. I know y'all see it coming. Getting the client extra clean, getting him bald on his face. He got a little peach fuzz, you know. Got schooling a little bit. Got to get super cleaned up. But, yeah, I'm cleaning him up. He got a little goatee going. trying to line that up, give it a little bit of action right there. Coming back under that, you got still a little bit more hair, so I'm getting all that hair off. Each way I go, different angles if you can't get that hair off with your liners, but hit it with a different angle, you get those little hairs off. Going in with that Supreme razor again, y'all. I'm just taking down them chin hairs, the little chin hairs you got, you know, getting them nice and cleaned up. Make sure you put that aftershave on after, though, for sure. You don't want him to bump up on his face, especially. That stuff is annoying. Client might not come back, but right here, you see I'm just balling his mustache out. His mustache does grow in a little thick, y'all, so you see now I'm just razoring his mustache a little bit. I'm not placing it hard or going sharp on his mustache or his face, especially. Doing a little bit more razor work, getting that hair nice and sharp with that dry shave, y'all. Dry shave gets that hairline super sharp, man. Yes, sir, y'all, because I'm really about that action, man. I go through with them details, come back with them details, and I show them details. But right here, I'm just taking with my clipper, I'm just knocking down those little hairs. Bro has waves, so them little hairs do stick up. You want to make that haircut pop, man. It's the difference between a $10 haircut and a $60, a $50, $100. We going up, man. I'm just applying that oil sheen, give them a better look, get that hair nice and shiny. I do apply it just a little bit around the skin, and then I just rub it in a little bit, but it's not nothing like too much, you know. I just give it a little bit of shiny look around the skin, or sometimes I might apply some coconut oil or anything, something like that, just to give it a little bit more shine around the skin on them ball fades. Brushing him down a little bit, getting my client right before he gets out the door. Give him that extra look with them shavers. Doing the same thing as I did with them clippers, just going over them waves, knocking down them little hairs that are on the top, y'all. Alright, y'all, this is unfortunately the end of the video, but you see, this is how my client came in, y'all. He was looking a little bit rough, just came from Cali, but look, this is how my client is leaving, man. Beans by Sheem came in here and did his thing, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We out of here. Beans by Sheem. Stay woke.
Your mouth closed, hold your tongue, cause you bitch niggas don't want none. You don't want none. Throw your turf up, bust your gun. Show these bitch niggas they don't want none. They don't want none. Ride or die, nigga, hide or run. I guarantee you that you don't want none. You don't want none.